Client B is a financial services company who were unsure how to set up a central automation team and get started. They had identified a process before, but ended up being terribly complex and difficult to automate. The team, made up of operations staff, didn't fully grasp how to implement the technology and had lent on the developer team to lead the implementation. Staff eventually lost faith in the technology due to not seeing tangible results and became resistant and suspicious of new projects. The automation project was revived a year later using AEIO YOU. The in-house team were better educated on the technology, so was the wider staff. Trained on the methodology and working alongside an expert, they received on-the-job training, delivering proofs of concept, and equipped with the know-how to follow the simple step-by-step process to identify, assess, and design more automation solution.